I'm moving house. I haven't packed a single thing. We're gonna do that. So of course the first thing that I had to do was go through literally 3 years worth of paperwork from my degree. It took not 1, not 2, but 3 trips. Yes, 3 trips to get all my stuff to my new flat. I literally had so much stuff, like I genuinely have no idea how I've managed to fit it all in my room now, but yeah, wow. Guys, I feel very stressed. How am I meant to do this? Oh my god. Hi. Sorry this video's taken me so long to make. It hasn't really. I've just been lazy and incredibly demotivated. More on that in another video. I've had about 90% of it done for like a very, very long time now, and I'm only just getting around to doing the last 10%. So yeah. Also I've got a fringe, which already needs a trim. Anyway, enjoy. Okay, so, oh my god, I just walked into a door frame. This is basically what you see when you come in. Those were my old curtains. They're horrible. Got a mirror. And then a wardrobe with a lamp.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you this special message.
The fact that I actually have the audacity to post that is... Her birthday was in August, so that just shows you quite how long I've been putting off making this. I'm actually in a horrendous mood, but I know that a trip to Ikea is going to cheer me up. Also, I'm just even more like a 7-year-old boy than I normally am. Wait, I'm totally lost. Okay, we'll find a way. Guys, I'm so hungry. I cannot even tell you. Like, I'm actually about to have a breakdown if I don't eat. The last time that I was at an Ikea was the day after my ex and I broke up, and I was just there by myself eating meatballs with tears streaming down my face. And the thing that got me was that they'd stuck a little Swedish flag in one of the meatballs. If that's not a funny image, like, I actually don't know what is. I've actually got a picture of it. I'll put it on the screen now. The trip to Ikea was largely successful. It was, to be honest, mostly just getting like really practical things like these over-the-door hooks, which are just great for storage. I also found this really lovely rug, which I believe was hand-woven. It was meant to be sustainable. The main thing I got from Ikea though was, of course, inspiration. Guys, I just want to say that I have officially caved, and I'm officially like every other white girl ever. And that is okay, because girls get hated on too much for just doing things that they like. I do feel a bit bad about it because I feel like it was so cheap, like, plus it was from Amazon. There's no way that this kind of got to my door without multiple people having been exploited. And my idea is to like have it strung above my bed, and also One moment, please, caller. I bought one of these lampshades from Ikea because my current lampshade is disgusting. I figured if the leaves are going to be above my bed anyway, I could also like decorate this with them because it's a bit boring at the moment and it might just tie it all together. This is how disgusting the bed was that came with the flat. I'm sorry, but no. So I basically have had to improvise my own little bed skirt. I guess I could have bought one, but I just used an old blanket and kind of put it over half of the bed, and it's now covering up all that grime. Thank goodness, because ew, gross. This is so weird. I thought I was gonna feel more emotional than I do seeing this room empty. My house back at home, like we never moved. Like this is kind of the first ever new place that I lived in, and it has seen so much. It has seen me ecstatically happy, laughing, excited about things. It has seen me miserable as hell. It's seen me stressed. It's seen me fall asleep like that, and it's also seen me lie awake for hours, literally hours on end. And it's just seen me change and grow and develop these past 3 years. I want the next tenants to have a wonderful time here because I've had a wonderful time here. Thank you, room. You've been good to me. I'm not gonna miss the damp though. Literally just being here in the morning, I've already got a cough. So I'm really looking forward to less damp and less dust, hopefully. And maybe fewer spiders. A girl can dream. Okay, time for the big reveal. I don't even know how to do this. Okay. Okay, so on entry, this is what we see. I mean, obviously not. This is a lie because I would never, ever make my bed. We have mirror. This was a drawing that my friend did for me when I was missing home, and that's my home village. It's very recognizable to me. Then my clothing rail. I keep all my hats in this kind of tote bag, and also my sunglasses in here. These are just clothes that I wear quite regularly, or I just don't want them being like crumpled up in a wardrobe somewhere. It also has a shoe rack underneath, which I don't really utilize much as a shoe rack. As you can see, it actually only has 2 pairs of shoes on, but I also have one of my bags, which I always use, and then just some other stuff in here. Which also, great idea by the way, if you're struggling to like store your claw clips. Under here, more shoes. I have this rug, obviously from Ikea. Quite a lot of stuff is like stored behind things or whatever. Like that's just water for watering my plants. This is a little sign that my best friend gave me for Christmas, which makes me cry when I read it because I imagine her saying it to me and I'm an emotional wreck. Whoa, they're going a bit manic at the moment. I should have changed the setting. There we go. But yeah, those are the little fairy lights. Oh yeah, I've got my longboard there. Wait, I'm gonna try and not expose where I live. But my windowsill is a little bit manic. Got scented candles from my friend, got another plant back there, more plants, my makeup brushes, another plant, a very old radio that isn't actually plugged in. I was originally gonna like take this lamp out, but it's kind of become a solid part of my bedroom. I wish it hadn't, but I've got so used to switching it on. It's not the nicest thing to look at, but oh well. We're gonna pretend that this horrible set of wires doesn't exist. I have the tiniest bed table that's kind of tucked in here. So that is something that my dad made me for my 21st birthday. I don't have time to explain it, but just know it's literally the sweetest, kindest gift in the world. Stationery in this like marble mug, I think was from Wilco. This lamp is so cool. I'm really not making the most of it here. Like I'm sure in another room when it's just got a bit more space to be appreciated, like it will look much better. So this is where I meant to be making my album, but remember what I said at the start of this video?
I've just been lazy and incredibly demotivated.
Anyway, I just have my laptop. This is also from Ikea. I'd really recommend. I also like to, like, if I'm watching something in bed or if I'm eating on the sofa or whatever, like, it's actually so useful. Like, you should invest in one of these, definitely. Do you like my new laptop case? It's so pretty. This is the Wall of Beauty. This corner, this is the one thing that we're not going to look at, okay? Because it's just a bunch of stuff. I mean, obviously latch will flow test, but it's a bunch of stuff that I don't know what to do with. So just, okay, yep. Then we have my wardrobe, on which I have very wonkily stuck up a collage of things that make me happy or inspire me, or both. It's all just a bunch of stuff that really doesn't make any sense. Oh yeah, that's where I keep my laundry, by the way, my laundry bin. It's all hidden, it's all tucked away. And then just on the back of my door, I have my dressing gown, and I usually keep all my masks there, but I think I've left them all in my bag. So yeah, that's my room. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've tried to make it fun. What is this? What is that? I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I'm really sorry that it's taken me so long to do. This is just the first time that I've been free and my room's been tidy, and up until now those factors have not aligned, when you'd think over the course of several months they would have, but they really didn't. That's more a reflection of how messy my room gets as opposed to my lack of free time. I love you lots. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and there will be a next one, because it doesn't matter how long I go, there always is a next one. Like and subscribe.